Hi everybody, I'm Stephanie with Smartland. Today we're going to take a virtual tour of our Parkwood Manor apartments located at 14901 Turney Road. Today we're going to tour our one bedroom, one bath suites that start at $680 and are approximately 500 square feet. These apartments are located near shopping centers as well as highways. Now we're in our brand new renovated kitchen. It has brand new countertops as well as cabinets and new stainless steel appliances. Also, the sink has a detachable sink head and a garbage disposal. For more information or to schedule a tour, give me a call at 440-941-0359.